So this video is going to talk about just a brief explanation of what core debates are. I think if anything among the vast amounts of debate content that is available on YouTube, I think this might be where I have the most unique contribution in a sense. And that's because I think that there are many debates that repeat, and I think that you could summarize all the possible debates in maybe 15 to 20 smaller debates. And I think this series aims to do is try to get at what those smaller debates might be. Um, and I want to note that this might seem like a way to generalize or can debating, such that you will have set cases for any motion that comes your way. That's the opposite of what I want to achieve with this. Because I think that these are the basics, and they are very generic, they are very vague in general. And because of that, you will end up having those kinds of arguments when you go through them in prep time. What I hope to do here is to speed up the process of coming up with the generic, the vague case, such that you can spend your prep time working more so on the specifics. What makes this motion different from all the other ways in which this debate could be done? This is heavily linked with one another as well. So oftentimes a debate won't just be one core debate, but a mix of like 3, 4 different core debates happening at the same time. And again, no hard distinctions here. I just want to show, I guess, the thought process your head should be going through when going through each core debate. I expect to make somewhere between 15 and 20 of these videos in total. Right now I've published 5. I have quite a few written down. What I've basically been doing is just going through uh, quite literally like hundreds of motions. I'm just refreshing hello motions, showing me 10 motions, and thinking, is there a debate I have not encountered yet? Or a debate or a category of debates that I cannot fit this into? And I want to reach a point where maybe 90, 95 of the motions, 95% of the motions, I can comfortably do that with. So for each video, you're going to talk about what the core debate is in question. Motions, some common, some maybe less obvious manifestations of that core debate. And then the core issues at hand, and the gov case, the op case, plus things about the motion that might change how it works. So that's what I intend with this series. We'll start with the first 5.